Christmas and Happy New Year!
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi, Merry Christmas!
Hey! Hello!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to you! Do you like Christmas?
Yes,
What do you like about Christmas?
I like Christmas tree, cool Christmas songs, and all the atmosphere. Christmas trees and decorations on the streets. They are a wonderful atmosphere.
Yeah, I think so. So, do you have a Christmas tree in your house?
Not in my house, but my company has one.
Share one or two things on your New Year wish list.
That's more to have a good body.
Yeah, good body.
Yes,
Okay.
strong.
Well, big orders.
Oh, big orders, big orders.
I want to spend more time with my family and my friends, and also save more money.
Goals for 2024 is that we can help our customers to improve their productive and save their cost. A happy world for their kids in the world.
Yeah.
I hope there is no hunger, no death, and no sufferings.
Okay, so do you know any Christmas songs?
Ah, yes, another one. So the children driving bright and green. All the things I've heard about but never really seen. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! 2024, we are coming!
Happy holidays!